Professor Avi Leob and the Galileo project, the masterminds, are working on a high-resolution telescope so we can see everything that we've ever missed with our naked eye and our regular telescopes.
We're basically trying to design the telescope systems that we will use, and that will include each system will have a few telescopes whose goal is to take a high-resolution image of an unidentified aerial phenomena and figure out its nature by the way it moves in 3 dimensions and by a high-resolution image that we might get and detecting it in different wavelengths.
The goal of the Galileo project is to find extraterrestrials using the most awesome high-tech telescopes they have to offer and are currently building right now.
What we want to see is the one out of many that might be unusual. And even if one is of extraterrestrial origin, it would have a huge impact on humanity.
The Galileo project will be gathering tons of data that will better the scientific explanation of all ETs. And what's a better way to start than making a big, high-resolution telescope and placing it right on top of a roof?
We'll have open data that is analyzed in a transparent way, the way scientists work. And frankly, I don't want to look at classified data because it would limit my freedom as a scientist to speak openly about the subject.
I love how Professor Leob puts himself out there for the information of all UAPs. He wants it to be more mainstream, and I agree. All UAPs should be mainstream. We should have this information to the people. I'm sure tons of people are seeing stuff that they don't know of all the time. They're like, what is this? But because we don't have information, we cannot classify it. So, props to you, Professor Leob. And that means us. The next generation, the current generation, the now generation. We need to put ourselves out there as well and find UAPs or look for UAPs. Or if you find one, put it out there. Show your videos or your images or whatever you captured. Don't hide it. Because who knows, you might have found the next Amamu. This summer, you guys, this summer, Harvard will be mounting Leob telescope on the roof of their observatory. Like, how real is that? I'm excited. Comment below, let me know what you think about this telescope. Are we gonna get some awesome images? Will it show anything awesome at all? Will it break as soon as they put it on there? Is it actually going to work?
It's quite possible that we are not the smartest kid on the block and there was a more advanced technological civilization before us that sent out AI systems that filled the Milky Way galaxy, and we just need to look at the sky to see if any of them is in our vicinity.
That's all I have on this awesome high-res telescope. Updates will be coming accordingly, and obviously pictures will always be on my Twitter and Instagram when I see new high-resolution pictures from this awesome telescope. And I haven't heard any names of this. What will they name this telescope? I wonder. Comment below what name you think Professor Leob should name this telescope. Like what you heard and you want to know more? Or do you just want to simply binge on some UFO videos when you simply have nothing to watch on Netflix? We'll zoom in on that bell, smash that subscribe button, and I'll give you news on all space exploration, new UFO videos, anything space, I got you.